Hey everyone, and welcome on into another edition of This Crazy Kitchen. I'm Tara Tesher.
I'm Lisa Lasort.
And we are going to combine two of my absolute favorite things, lasagna and bread, and make a lasagna bread boat. Perfect harmony.
Of carbs.
Of carbs. A little carbs with some side of carbs.
Carb squared.
Carb squared. I love
like
it.
this.
But we are so excited that you are joining us. We love to take about 20 minutes and just
Yes.
kind of come up with some great recipes. Super simple, easy, and delicious. Neither one of us are trained chefs. That's
wait a
crystal
second.
clear, by the way. And we have lots of fun things that we love to play with, whether it's utensils, stand mixers, gloves, and other things that we have to have in every edition of This Crazy Kitchen. Yes.
Yes, we do. There are little gadgets that you like to use.
100%.
And if they plug in, like bonus points.
I mean,
Okay.
I'm just saying, we've had blowtorches here
Is that
before.
day-old bread?
Hello. Hello. All right, so let's start with this lasagna bread boat because it is super duper fun. All right, I'm going to cut the top off of this. That's what
Okay.
we're going to start.
Just make sure you're watching.
I'm actually
looking
going
at
to
your
stop
fingers.
looking at you, and I'm
Thank
going to
you.
just do this.
I appreciate
Okay?
that.
All
Yes.
right.
I am a nurse, so like if you need a stitch or two,
Well-
I can do it.
Yeah, but ask her if she likes needles.
I mean, I might faint, but I can help you.
But I can help you. Exactly. All right, you don't have to be super scientific about it.
Yes.
I'm going to go in here. Ready?
This is like surgery, actually.
Doctor?
Hello?
Doctor? Doctor?
Would you need gloves for this?
I'm about to put them on, don't you worry. Okay, once you cut that open, you're making the little boat. See what I mean?
Row.
Oh
Sorry.
boy, no singing. No singing, please.
Did we say pop music? We're going to talk about pop music?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
So anyway, you can go ahead and hollow that out, super duper easy.
You can make croutons from that.
You could do a lot of things. You could
Yes.
feed some animals with that.
You
some,
could.
Actually,
Make some breadcrumbs.
don't they say like, are you like not supposed to do that anymore? You're not supposed to like feed ducks and stuff, bread? I'm pretty sure that's.
is that right?
I'm pretty sure that's what I heard. Okay.
I'm going to check it out.
Not on the Google,
On
but
the
just in
World Wide
general.
Web.
Yes.
See what they say.
Exactly. All right, I gotta put my gloves on. And I am ready to roll.
Yeah.
So what I did, while, through the magic of this, I browned some beef. Got that over there. We'll talk about that in a minute.
Okay.
I have some ricotta cheese. This is gonna be,
Yum.
when you think about your lasagna,
Yeah.
right, what is it that you're putting in there? So we're gonna put this right. By the way, this 2-quart wok bowl is available.
I love that.
Love the silhouette, love the size. If it's just the two of you, this happens to be floral lace that we're looking at here. And then I'm gonna add in thank you. I'm gonna add in my seasonings here.
Oh, yeah.
Easy peasy.
This
And I'm gonna
reminds me
add
of, like
in.
my grandmother when she was making homemade pastas and
Yes.
adding in the ricotta and
Yes.
stuff. Yum.
All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that. And then that is going to be your delicious lasagna
Wow.
stuffing. Stuffing, not really, not Thanksgiving.
Oh, yeah, but
Okay, so what did I do? I hollowed out my bread. I have my lasagna noodle here.
Okay.
And this is gonna be the base.
So you cook those?
Yeah, cook them
Okay.
exactly like the box says to do. Drain them. If you're gonna let them sit out a little bit, maybe hit them with a little olive oil.
Yeah, yeah.
I like to do that so that they don't get all sticky and then,
You know how I learned to do this?
Tell me.
The spray olive oil.
oh.
It's actually great for that kind of stuff.
So I'm gonna put one little layer and then I'm gonna get my meat going, okay? I'm gonna drain the meat off,
Okay.
which I have over here. That's a little hot, so I'm
Yes.
gonna actually use my regular gloves. Look at this, I can put them on
Oh, now she's showing off.
on top
it's
of
like
my
double gloving.
double gloved. I was just gonna
Double
say,
gloved.
woo! Okay, and then I'm just gonna drain off that meat. Just have a little paper towel there,
Ooh.
and then I'm going to add it back in once it's drained.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, look at that.
Oh.
That's not going in my belly.
Get all
I mean,
that fat
maybe
out of
later.
there.
Maybe later. All right, and then I'm going
What do you
to. I need my tomato sauce.
Okay.
And I have my spoon.
I was going to say, do you need a poinsettia spatula by chance? Just asking.
I don't.
For a friend.
I don't. So look at
I'll
this.
just hold it then.
Yeah, I think that's actually like a set of 5.
Love
Fan
these.
yourself. Are you warm?
It's a little warm in here.
Yes, yes.
So
all right.
cute.
So I'm
Love.
just gonna go ahead and incorporate all of that.
I love this for like even an appetizer, right? When people
Right.
are coming over.
Oh my gosh. Well, first of all, you're combining 2 of the best things on the planet. So that's what I love. All right. So now that I did my layer of ricotta cheese,
Okay.
I am going to top that with a little mozzarella.
Okay.
And then, see what I did there? Like puff.
You're ready.
It's magic. Magic, magic, magic.
By the way, I could just eat this and
Well,
eat this
hello.
and eat this.
All right, so I put my ricotta cheese down first with
Okay.
my mixture. And then I'm gonna do a layer of meat sauce.
And you can like customize this, right? Like
No.
if you don't eat red meat.
No, you have to make it exactly the way I say or forget it. Yes. Like I've made it for Ed with Beyond Meat.
Okay.
And I've also made it with turkey, which I know you and Joe would love,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, totally. Or sauce. You can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
Sausage, pepperoni.
Yeah. Super
Pepperoni.
easy.
Yeah.
You could. Mushrooms, Lisa hates.
Cheesesteak. You could do cheesesteak in here.
Cheesesteak would be awesome. So there's your first layer. So get rid of that.
This is very handy, by the way.
Now we're gonna make our second layer.
Okay.
Same
So
thing.
It's just like making lasagna.
It's in a bread bowl.
And instead of a baker, you have bread.
Doesn't that sound great? I mean, that doesn't hurt anybody's feelings.
No.
I know it.
It takes a step out of the dinner because here's your bread.
Right. All you need is a little carb with a little side of carb. But I tell you
Love
what,
this.
is so delicious.
Yeah.
This cheese is like
Is it getting
sticky.
clumpy?
A little clumpy. Hey, but
Sometimes that happens.
it's not a bad thing.
Yeah.
It's not a bad
You just
thing.
have to add a little bit more.
Oh, is that what
It
happens?
means you need to add
Right.
more.
Cheese with a little side of cheese.
Yeah, exactly.
Why not? Look at how easy this is, though.
Yeah.
But I love what you were saying, right? Customizing it a little bit and using your ground turkey or using your Beyond Meat. You can do so many different things with this. Okay.
Yeah.
Next layer.
Oh my gosh.
Third layer, gang.
So do you
Third
just do it to
layer.
the layer of the bread, like to however, because bread
Well,
is different, right?
here's the scoop. You can make it as high as you want, but you're gonna have it overflow in your oven. So
Okay.
I would definitely like put it on a metal cookie sheet, like if you really wanted it like folding, the cheese folding over the side of it. For this purposes, I'm just gonna do 4 layers.
Okay.
But I think I've gotten as much as 5 layers in there in the past. And feel free to make multiples. This doesn't have to be just one thing.
I just thought of something. You know
Tell
what? You
me.
could even do individuals, like on hoagie rolls or sub rolls
Totally.
or something like that.
Didn't you grow up eating like pizzas? Did you do that? My mom
Yeah.
would always make
on English muffins?
on English muffins.
Yes.
English muffin pizzas. And now it's so funny, right? Because our grandkids come to visit and Ed and his pizza bagels. Like he's like, I'm gonna make pizza bagels. I'm like, no one's gonna want a pizza bagel.
What?
Right. No one's gonna want a pizza bagel.
they
And he's
are.
like, yeah, okay. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm gonna make them anyway. Wouldn't you know it? Pop, do you have any more pizza bagels?
Yeah.
Like clearly, I
actually
don't know what
forgot
I'm
about
talking
this.
about.
We were talking about this with Aaron and Teddy this weekend about
What?
the
Tell me.
English muffin bagels.
the
But
best.
I totally forgot about not bagels, English muffin pizzas. I
Bagels.
forgot about pizza
Bagels.
Bagels.
Bagel.
It depends what area of the country you're in. I do believe how you say the word BAGEL. Correct? Am I right with that?
I don't know. Would you like a lasagna noodle? I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the sides off just because I think it looks prettier that way. But now I have my, I was gonna call it a pizza bagel. No, my lasagna boat ready to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right on my platter and put it in the oven. And then I'm
I mean, I can't.
BRB.
Wow.
Talk amongst yourselves.
I mean, we will. Hold on for a second. I think this would be so much fun with people coming on over. It could be an appetizer. It could be a main course. You could have a Caesar salad with it. But Tara, you got to tell you got to tell your hubby that he's got to up his game on the pizza bagel. And if he brings this out, could you imagine? The kids will be
Look
like,
at this, you guys. This is it, finished. Absolutely delicious. Hold on. No noodles were hurt in the making of this video, but I am going to tuck it all aside so that we can get to eating. Okay? Okay.
Let me do something to help.
Could you do something,
I
Lisa?
mean, here you go. Here's
on.
this.
Come on.
What else you need?
Nothing. I'm going to do my little topping.
Okay.
A little parsley.
Do you need a bigger knife than this, maybe?
Going to need a bigger boat. I mean, what can I tell you? You know I need my big knife. Like
I'm going to
my
get
big
it for you.
Steph knife.
Thank you very
All
much.
right, so added a little parsley on top of there for some color.
You didn't
that's
notice
hot.
how careful
Ooh,
I
that's
was
hot.
behind you. Like,
Give me this thing.
It's right.
Okay, I'm just gonna cut right in the middle. Listen to that. Hold, please. Crunchy, delicious. Yes.
And it smells like heaven.
Yes, it does.
It really, oh, is that my piece?
This is your piece. No, I'm just getting it to move. But I want to show you once I get it all sliced and plated.
Oh, wow.
How awesome this is gonna look.
Okay.
Okay. Zoot. Zootala. I have missed one. Look at that. Layer
that
upon layer
steam.
of that beautiful lasagna now in the bread, like saving you time, making it even more delicious.
Uh-huh.
Would you like a fork and knife?
I if necessary.
I mean, you're gonna want to get in there. Trust me. You're gonna want to. Wait, I need a slice too. Let me do it here for me.
This looks
amazing. I know what we're having for lunch.
I was just gonna say.
Ooh, this is our lunch. Why'd we need to order from? No, just kidding. Okay, ready? Whoop.
Sorry, I didn't wait for you.
That's okay. Right. I'm just gonna take a little bite.
Goodbye.
Yeah, okay. Talk amongst yourselves. Yeah. How good? So tell me, what do you love?
It's absolutely.
Give me your rave review.
I'm not kidding. It's delicious, but the one thing that this has that lasagna doesn't is crunch of the bread.
You're right.
It's amazing. Truly.
I love how everything melts down and incorporates. And then you have everything all together. Like, look how fabulous this is.
I'm telling
That's
you,
your lasagna boat. Like, can we just talk about how fantastic that looks?
this is absolutely delicious.
Delish.
You could even do veggies. You could do chicken parm in here. Oh my gosh, I have so many. Like, you can totally just have fun with this.
This is delicious.
I'm afraid to put this in my
Go,
mouth.
do it. And then we'll So Lisa, I have a couple of questions for you. No, so this was another crazy episode of This Crazy Kitchen. But making super simple, easy, feel-good food recipes that don't take a ton of time. Like what, we've been talking for like 15 minutes.
Yes.
And that's what we love about it. So again, you can do things ahead of time, take some shortcuts, modify it, switch it up to make it for your lifestyle. It's absolutely delicious. But this is like a must-have. You got to try this.
Absolutely. Add it to your fun little holiday edition of whatever you're
Your
doing.
little repertoire.
Yes.
Okay, on that note, and I'm pretty sure I have tomato sauce right there, we're going to wrap this up. Thank you guys for joining us for another episode of This Crazy Kitchen, and we will see you next time. Bye.